Hello and welcome to DIYs. Today we have another video for you, another cook and bake video, and as well as another cupcake video for you. We have another recipe for you for these 12 cupcakes. They are amazing, and it's yeah, I like the combination of chocolate, Skittles and all of that, or M&Ms. Yeah, another video for you today. And yeah, let me show you what we need. So what we need is 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, some salt, 100 grams of chocolate pieces, 2 eggs, 100 grams of butter, 125 grams of milk, and we need 75 grams of nuts. We've got some peanuts here, and these are XXL chocolate pieces as well. And we have some glaze, as you can see here, that's 200 grams. And yeah, the M&Ms, and also, as you can see, the football cupcake molds. Wow, they're great. Right, first we're starting with the eggs, the melted butter and the flour. Right, in our second bowl we're adding some flour and the sugar. And we're adding our teaspoon of baking powder and our teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix that up. Alright, we're going to mix the egg, butter, milk mixture to the dry ingredients. And then when it's all mixed up, we're adding our chocolate pieces and the peanuts. I've chopped the peanuts slightly smaller. Right, then the mixture is all mixed up and we're dividing it into our molds. And then we can put it 18 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees oven. Right, when they're all done and cooled down, this is how they look. They look amazing. Right, our decoration, I've melted the chocolate glaze in a microwave, and I've got the M&Ms here. And we're starting with our glaze. Right. In the meantime, I've glazed all the muffins, and now it's time for our M&Ms. They're quite heavy, so I think I'm just grabbing some glaze. I'm gonna dip it in the glaze for it to hold better on the cupcake, because otherwise they might roll off. Alright, this is our cupcakes done. They're amazing, they look really nice and perfectly themed for the football. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you, so I'd say have a look on our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. We're happy to answer and reply to them. And yeah, I'd say hopefully we'll see you soon the next time we do ideas. Have a good day. Bye.